What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. This is a part 2 of the gifts I got from Passionately Intrigued Arts. This is her card, so you can check it out. All the stuff is handmade. Let me show you what she gave me. I had to do it over because I missed a key ingredient. So the first thing I did, we got the face mask, because you know I like to always wear my mask. So we got the fitness part, entertainment, all that stuff in life. Then she also gave me another face mask where it's saying TheJ JordanFitness. I love this. I love this. And then on top of that, I have a sweatband. See the sweatband? I also have wristband for each hand. This is awesome. Awesome. Next thing, she had made a towel so I can wipe the sweat if I want to, you know what I mean? This is so awesome. This is so awesome. And what I didn't see on the other video is this right here. She got the keychain, the sachets. Like, this would have been good if I was when I was on the cruise. It would have been perfect. So it came with this. It also comes with the multiple ones, like the individual ones as well. She gave me the individual ones. This is so awesome. And then she came, if you want, we also have her card information. I'm going to hold it here so y'all can reach out to her. All her stuff is handmade, so y'all can go check her out. See that? Check out the QR code if you need to scan it. Passionately Intrigued Arts and more. Awesome job. I'm definitely going to be trying to get some more stuff from you. And and she let you know that all the stuff is handmade, and she did it with care and love. Love on the back. You see what I mean? So she also came and it comes with a card saying thank you and hello and all that stuff. And she gave you your updates about how she feels about you and all that. So I want to say thank you so very much, Passionately Intrigued Arts. I really do appreciate it. This will be a second one. This will probably be as a short. But thank you so very much. I really do appreciate it. I really do like it. And I do plan on trying to order some more stuff. I like what you have. I want to get some other colors as well, so I can get some rock it out. You know what I mean? So whatever y'all do, go check out Passionately Intrigued Arts and more. She will be in the description so y'all can check it out. So remember, like I always say, fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh-wee, yeah.